Hi friends, welcome to Communication Skill Enhancement Practice. One thing common between you and me is that we all want to grow in our life. But our major obstacle for our growth is our communication. The way we communicate with people, the way we grow. We all may know that. Some people think that yes, we have skills, we don't need to communicate well. Some people may think. But 90%, more than 90% people think, and I have learned from various mentors, if you have to grow in our life, you have to, one thing you have to grow, you have to work in, that is communication skills. And other thing is our English speaking skills. Why English? Because English is a global language. If we have to grow and we do not know English, then sometimes we may feel that we are lacking something, we are lacking confidence. I remember I seen Harbhajan Singh and Yuvraj Singh, those are very good cricketer. When they have to, when they get the man of the match award, they don't have to speak something, they got struggle. They are not able to speak. They are getting nervous. They are very good cricketer. They have good skills, but what they have lacking? They have lacking of communication skills in English. Yes, friends, people have higher skills, higher power, higher achievements, also lacking these skills because they don't have day-to-day practice. Yes, then I have seen also Harbhajan Singh. He has practiced a lot, and then he is able to, in a other interviews, he is able to speak English with very good. He is communicated in very good manner. So what I am doing, I am practicing to improve my communication skills, my English speaking skills, as well as to inspire other to do practice. Yes, friends, one thing we do practice any skills, if we do it every day, then it is automatically it will grow in our subconscious mind. If we leave it, if we, I have learned from various mentors that some neurons in our brains start developing, they start connecting, and they start growing together. And when we stop practicing, they start synchronizing again. So you should practice to make it grow. You start it, then it will start. The neurons will be get connected. It will be just grow, and by practicing it, when we require, at the time when we require to deliver the content, then it will help us to deliver that content. But most of the time, if imagine a day, if you are in a public speak, if you are on a stage and there is thousands of people who are listening to you, and you have to deliver a content, you know that if you will deliver it very smartly, very purposefully and inspiring, then people will be influenced. But same thing, at the same time you may get nervous, you may fumble, so that will give a very negative impact, because you may know or may not know, I know that your network is becoming your net worth. Net worth means the total amount of money you have, all the assets you have is equal to your net worth. Your net worth will be increased drastically if your network is increasing. Your network will be increased if you communicate properly, if you are able to motivate them, if you are able to inspire them, if you are able to deliver new information to them, if you are able to share your own story to inspire, if you can share your own struggle, and how you come out from that struggle, how get to achieve that freedom from that struggle. Yes, friends, everybody in his life has different struggles. There is nothing wrong in struggles, because struggle only help us to grow. There is nothing wrong in struggle or failures, because failures are not obstacle. Failure is our stepping stones that help us to grow. Failure and struggles are good, but we should share our struggle and failures to other, and how we are overcoming from that. When we'll able to sharing these things, people will connect with us. When more and more people will connect to us, then our network will be increased. When our network will increase, automatically our net worth will increase, because that is a law. That is a law. Every action has equal and opposite reactions. If you are working on our personality development, if you are working on our communication skill development, if you are working on our English speaking development, if we are working on our influencing people, get them help from your own stories, then people will be really get help. They will be happy with you. They will be influenced with you. They will love you. They will like you. And that way you can help others. I have learned from different mentors the way you serve people, the way you grow. How can you serve people without communicate? We cannot serve people without our proper communication. We have to communicate with people. And for communicate with a larger people, we should know the global language. So we should have practiced all the time, 24 hours. We should learn and practice, do more things on that. Do more things on your communication improvement, influence building, personal branding, follower development, developing more followers. Work on it, and that will help to grow your net worth. So from last 40 days, I am making video daily to improve my communication skills and also to influence people, inspire people, so that if you have some skill which you are bothering, that these skills you need, first identify that skills. You have to identify those skills which is really required in your life and do it daily. That communication skill is one of the skills which you need to improve. And to improve communication skills, what I have already told and repeatedly telling is that we have to making video. If you want to make video, then some video affordable tool making kits, video making kits is available in my description box. You can easily get that by click on that and buying it. And if you want to inspired by listening this video, then you can subscribe this channel. You can share to others who you feel that they want to improve their English speaking skills, because English speaking skills it will take some time. You have to listen at least 30 minutes daily English. You have to make video daily. You have to write very well structured writing. You can, one thing my advice is, if you are not able to write in notes, people have do not like to write notes. If you like to write notes, that is okay, but if you do not like to write notes in paper, you can share your thoughts, your ideas in LinkedIn, in Facebook, in WhatsApp, in Instagram, in Twitter, in other social media, in a structured manner. Do not just write, do not just share a photo, share some thoughts. Share your thoughts at that moment, what you have felt, what excite you. Are you excited that moment? Are you enjoyed that moment? Are you sad? Are you happy? You share your thought. Share your thought with 4 to 5 sentences, not one sentence, 4 to 5 sentences. Then your writing skills will improve. When you make video, your speaking skill will improve. When you watch other people listening, your verbal skill will be improved. When you read more things, you have more words to deliver, because you will need more words. You will get more words when you are listening, reading, writing. You will frequently doing that. You will get something, some data you have to get in your brain. So it will be automatically fed in your subconscious mind. Because you have to be skillful, we have to be in a flow state, we need to have it in subconscious mind. So to have it in subconscious mind, we have to practice daily. If somebody is watching in this video, do it daily and it will really work for you and it will help you to grow. So practice daily. Daily practice will improve your communication skills and small improvement will boost your confidence. Thanks for watching.